In this video, we are going to be running a standard Java program from Android Studio. Now, this video is a response to a comment that I got under program Java 45. The comment says, do you have the same video in Java Android Studio? So let's go ahead and do that. So for this particular program, I'm going to use the exact same code that we wrote under Java 45, where we handled input mismatch exception when string is input instead of a number using if statements. But feel free to try this out with any program that you have. But yeah, that's the program that I'm going to use for the purpose of this video. So in Android Studio, I've launched it. And then what we want to do is click on new project. Now from here, I'm going to click on no activity and click on next. Now you can keep the default as it is. So the name of your project, a package name, you can make changes if you like. Say, for example, the package, I'd like it to be a my calc, since this is relevant to the calculator. And we want to save it in a location. If you like, you can keep it as the default, and then otherwise you can change it if you have another folder that you'd like it to go into. So I've changed that. Make sure for language it's Java. And I'm going to leave everything else the way it is. And then I'm going to click on finish. We will wait a little bit until the building is finished. Okay, it's configuring the project. So just wait a bit until the whole project is complete. There we go. So once that's done, we don't want to work with the app. What we want is to create a new module. So from the main menu, go File, New, and then go to New Module. Now you might want to make sure that you choose Java or Kotlin library, and then you can change the library name if you like, package name, class name. So our class is actually called Video 45, which is probably not a very good name, but let's just go with that. Yeah, and I'll keep everything else the same, and I'll click on finish. Then what we want to do is we can see that we have our module created. So we want to go into main under Java, and we can see that the class is being created. So I'm going to double click on the class. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to come to this file, and I'm going to copy all of it. So Control A, Control C, and I'm just going to delete this line since it's already in the existing code, and I'm going to paste. So that's pretty much it. Everything else remains the same. Then what I'm going to do is right click here and choose to run video 45.main. And then let's wait for everything to happen. And the purpose of the program was actually allow the user to put in two numbers and then display a menu where the user can actually choose a mathematical operation. So if I said the first number was 4 and the second number was, 2, and I could choose, for example, to multiply those two numbers. So I'll choose 3, and it's giving me an 8. So that's pretty much it. So I could keep going. So choose another number. So 1, and another number is 2. But instead I choose to quit the program and I click 6. So that's pretty much it. I haven't made any changes to the program whatsoever for the purpose of running this under Android Studio. I just did want to mention that this particular program has been improved in videos Java 1.12, 1.13, and 1.14, where some improvements were done. So if you want the latest, just refer to Java 1.14. And yeah, thanks for the great comment and for the great question. And I will see you in the next ones. Thank you for watching.